Hello friends, in this video I will see you how to create simple pagination using PHP MySql. Web page with more number of row data will make the page lengthier. Pagination makes the long rows into small number of rows and remaining in next pages. Pagination in a web page will make the web page structure more crispy. Here is the tutorial about how to make simple pagination using PHP MySql. Friends, this is my simple table with name table student with 3 column with name student id, student name and student phone. I have already inserted 16 records in this table. Friends, this is my simple page. Here I have used Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript framework. First I have made database connection. For database connection, first I have defined one variable connect is equal to MySql connection function with parameter host is equal to localhost, username is equal to root, password is equal to blank, and database name is equal to test database. Friends, in pagination first I have to define how many records should show on per page. For this I have defined one variable record per page is equal to 5. That means I want to show only 5 records on single page and other records will display on next page. Now friends, I have defined one new variable page is equal to blank. In this variable I will store current page number. After this I want to check in URL there is page variable is present or not. For this I have write if statement with condition. In condition I have used set function with parameter $getPageData, then page variable is equal to $getPageData. For example, in URL page is equal to 3, then page variable is equal to 3. But suppose if there is no page text found in URL, then page variable is equal to 1. Now friends, I have want to define one new variable start from is equal to page variable -1 into record per page variable which I have defined above. After this I have want to make SQL query for fetching data from table student. For this I have defined one new variable query is equal to select start from table student order by student in descending order limit $start from variable $record per page variable. Now friends, I have want to execute this query and store records in one variable. For this I have defined one variable result is equal to MySql query function with 2 parameter. First is database connection string is equal to connect and SQL query is equal to query. Friends, SQL query executed and result store into result variable. Before fetch all data, first I have defined table with 2 column name and phone. Now friends, I have used while loop for fetching all data from database. In while loop I have write $row variable is equal to MySql fetch array function with parameter MySql query result which I have stored into result variable. This function will convert MySql query result into associative array and store into row variable. Now friends, I simply print data like student name and student phone onto table. For this I have write open and close table row, and between this I have write to open and close table data. For student name I have write $row with table column name like student name, and for student phone I have write $row with table column name like student phone. Friends, you can see only 5 records on the page, but in table there is 16 records, so I want to show 6 to 10 data. For this in URL I have write $page is equal to 2. Friends, data are changed. Now I want to write PHP code for go to any page. For this first I have defined one variable page query is equal to select start from table student order by student in descending order. After this I want to execute this query and store result. For this I have defined one new variable page result is equal to MySql query function with 2 parameter. One is database connection string and second is SQL query. After this I want to get total number of records in table. For this I have defined one variable total records is equal to MySql numRows function with parameter like MySql query result, which I have stored into page result variable. Friends, after getting total number of records, now I want to get total number of pages. For this I have defined one variable total pages is equal to ceil function. This function will round the number up to the nearest integer. In this function I have write total records variable divide by record per page variable. With the help of this code we can get total pages. Now friends, I want to display all pages with its respective link to particular page. For this I have used for loop. So I have write for with open and close bracket, and between bracket I have write $I is equal to $1 I less than equal to total pages and $I plus plus. After this I want to print pages with link to respective page. For this I have write echo statement with anchor tag with attribute ref is equal to pagination.php page is equal to variable I, and between anchor tag I have also write variable I. Friends, with the help of for loop we can print all page with link to its respective page. Now friends, check the above code output on browser. So, friends, this is my video on how to make simple pagination by writing PHP script with MySql. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any query regarding this video you can comment on this video, I will reply on your comment. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so, friends, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, you can also like my Facebook page also, or you can also follow Webs Listen on Twitter.